revolution. Rise up to the fight. One love, one life for the revolution. Rise up and
Om Shanti Shanti, Australia, world. You wake up today, you're gonna get another unfolding of the onion. Last year I got a message that don't matter how the message came through, I got a message that in March the masses would wake up. There's a lot of different things been happening to me, to everybody, and it's starting to kind of fit together. I'm not trying to make a story out of what is in its simplest form a virus, but there's a lot of things being said that are trying to wrap the thing into a health crisis. We've been in a health crisis for a long time because that's how you subordinate people and sell them stuff they don't need. If you think the world isn't about that, you're ignorant. I'm sorry, but I've lived this life, the business life. I got pulled into the yoga world, and I've been one with the earth and God since I've been born. I'm just a man. I'm just a warring, shagging, desiring human God. That's what we are. We do all these things, not just love. Yoga's for everybody. Yoga, I'm a massive advocate of, and while the consumerism falls, I want to